We've had a pleasant and calm Sunday with those temperatures getting up into the mid-60s this afternoon for high temperatures. We've still got those calm conditions as we take a live look over Vicksburg right now. The cool spot in central Mississippi, 48 degrees there in Vicksburg. Still 52 here in the capital city, 52 in Macomb as well. Natchez is the warm spot right now at 57 degrees. We will all cool to those 40s as we go throughout this evening. Low temperature here in the capital city, 45, 46 in Port Gibson, 42 up in Carthage, and 44 down in Hattiesburg. That average low temperature being 43 degrees, so we're right about where you would expect us to be for the beginning of March. And tomorrow is almost going to be a repeat of what we had today, except it's going to be warmer. We're going to keep those partly cloudy skies. 68 degrees here in the capital city, 69 in Mendenhall, 72 in Hattiesburg, and 65 up in Carthage. All of us a little above that average high temperature of 66 degrees. And we're going to keep those pleasant temperatures for the first part of this week warm. 68 degrees for Monday, 73 on Tuesday. Now Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, there will be a cold front that moves through, knocking those high temperatures down to the low 60s and upper 50s for Wednesday and Thursday. We will warm back up as we head towards the weekend though. But one thing that cold front unfortunately is going to do is bring the chance for severe weather back to central Mississippi as well as the Pine Belt. This is the latest Storm Prediction Center outlook, a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for all these areas colored in orange. That's almost all of central Mississippi. The Pine Belt, there are portions still in that level 2 out of 5 slight risk. And what we're watching for, this is going to be Tuesday afternoon into the evening. High winds, strong damaging winds are going to be the main threat from this storm system, at least the way things look now. Tornadoes will also be possible. Large hail and flooding are on the lower ends for the threat, but we still could have some large hail here and there as well as some localized flooding. I talk about the winds. This is Tuesday morning. Now, this is just a future tracker, but I want to point out the front is still well off to the west at this point. We're going to have winds gusting between 20 and 30 miles an hour as early as Tuesday morning. And watch this futurecast model here. As the front moves closer, the gusts are only going to get stronger, peaking from 40 to 50 miles an hour throughout the afternoon on Tuesday. And this is out ahead of the line of storms that's going to accompany that cold front. We'll keep the gusty conditions all the way through Tuesday night. And then even behind the front, just to show you how strong this system is, we could keep wind gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour throughout the day on Wednesday as well. So let's talk about why we're getting these storms. It's going to be a low pressure system off to the west and a cold front that's acting as the lifting mechanism to force these thunderstorms to form. But then out ahead of that, unfortunately for us, there's going to be a warm front, and that's going to allow these winds to shift from the south, bringing in warm and moist Gulf air, which is going to aid in the development of potentially severe thunderstorms. That front will force that line of storms into our area, likely Tuesday afternoon into the evening. But this timing could change, but for right now, Tuesday afternoon in the evening looks to be the best time frame. Just zooming in for a closer view in the morning, just some clouds, but then as we head towards the afternoon and evening, that line of storms will move through our area, likely in the drive time here in Jackson, unfortunately, moving off towards the Pine Belt to end the evening on Tuesday night. But after we get past Tuesday, calm conditions continue for the second part of the week. 8-day forecast, warm to start the week. Be sure you're staying weather aware on Tuesday and checking back with us for updates. But then after that, we'll have a calm second half of the work week with temperatures peaking in the low 70s by Friday, and then we'll have some rain move back in for Saturday. Stay with 12 News. We'll be back after the break.